Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Thanksgiving is a big deal for fellow Americans. It's more celebrated than Christmas. People fly or drive from everywhere so they can spend times with their families. You'll probably have guests over this coming weekend, and what's better than serving them a nice savory mushroom quiche? This delicious dish is ideal for breakfast or brunch, but also for lunch and dinner as well. It's so versatile. So let's get cooking. In a non-stick skillet, we'll add 3 slices of bacon cut into small pieces, and then we'll turn the heat on medium. That way, the fat will render slowly, cooking the meat evenly, therefore making our bacon crispy. That should take a good 10 to 12 minutes on an electric stove and a little faster on a gas range. Using a slotted spoon, we'll transfer the meat to a bowl and set aside for now. Next, we'll melt some butter before adding onions. I'm using red because this is what I had on hand, but yellow or white is fine. We'll quickly saute them for just 1 minute, then add red peppers and saute for 1 minute as well. We'll now add the star of the recipe, mushrooms. We'll toss them around until the slices are coated with the fat and seasoned with freshly ground mixed peppercorns. I always say black pepper, but I actually use mixed peppercorns most of the time, which has a nice flavor profile. We'll constantly stir the mushrooms for a couple minutes and then let them cook for 8 minutes before adding pressed garlic plus some fresh thyme leaves. We'll blend ingredients and saute for 1 minute. We'll remove from the heat and set aside. Next, in a large bowl, we'll combine our beaten eggs, heavy cream. You can use half and half if you want to cut down on calories. Gouda cheese, but Swiss, Gruyere, or Emmental or other delicious options. Followed by fresh chopped parsley, then hot paprika, and grated nutmeg. Not dry, it's not the same. We'll whisk the ingredients until nicely blended. We'll now add the cooked bacon to the eggs, as well as the mushroom mixture, and stir until everything is well mixed. I like to crack more pepper in it. Again, it's not black, it's mixed peppercorns. We'll pour the mixture into a 9-inch pie crust and spread it out evenly. We'll cover the edges with a crust shield, and if you don't own one, use foil, and transfer it to a 375-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until a cake tester inserted in the center comes out clean. We'll remove from the heat and let it rest for 7 to 8 minutes before serving. And my friends, this is our mushroom quiche. This tasty dish is easy to make. Plus, it can be served for breakfast or brunch, as well as lunch and dinner with a green salad on the side. Another plus is it can be made ahead. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!